So I guess this is where we going right here. Hood packing, I guess.
Arriving at destination on right.
Yeah, this is it. So I guess this is where the trucks go in. Right here. So they probably gonna be hell trying to get out of here at this place because it looks like it's busy, busy, busy. You see, I gotta put all this in because micro point, and then I gotta put in at the shipper. I guess it go around here to the back. It's supposed to be 25,000 pounds. We wasn't even supposed to go in right there. That was to get out. We just came in. Yeah, hood packing. This the name of it. So I'm probably getting pallets. Empty pallets, probably. We'll see when we get around here and check in. I already got one truck back here. So we're going to go in here and check in, y'all, and we get back with y'all. That's what I think we're getting them kind of pallets or something. So we'll see y'all. So we've been driving a little bit. I forgot to start filming. So we got 433 miles. Y'all can see that. 433. And it's snowing out here. We fighting the snow over here. We coast to Erie, PA, so that's where the lake effect is. So it is what it is. It's snow season. You just can't hide from it. You can't dodge it or whatever. So anyway, luckily it ain't sticking. But I came on some roads back there that was got snow, I guess, the other day, and it was really, really bad. So I had to creep through there. So it ain't bad now here because it ain't sticking here. So. But it is cold. It's, I think, like 17 degrees or 12 degrees, I think it said. So it's cold. Cold, it's snowing, and the wind blowing. So anyway, let's continue on to Albany, New York. I'm in New York now, man. God, doggone, look at this. It's just terrible. You can't even see the road no more. I don't know where the snow truck's at, but this is ridiculous. They ain't scraping the road or nothing. And back there with the rest there, it was full of trucks. And someone was getting stuck on the side. And I got 306 miles to go. And they wanted there by 2 o'clock. It's not gonna happen. It's 1:25. Anyway, we probably gonna find a safe place to pull over and park, cause this is not getting it. Y'all can see, man, we is in a blizzard here. Y'all see the machine up there that trying to clear the road, but as y'all can see right here, we in a blizzard. Look at this. This is ridiculous. All this in New York. Towards Buffalo. I'm about 14 miles from Buffalo. So we all just fall in one lane. They steady dumping snow. I don't know how many inches they got over there. Y'all can see. It's kind of thick. A lot of snow. We getting so cloudy, misty, everything. Anyway, we're going to keep on moving. We got to find a place to, I don't know where we're going to park at. Couldn't get in the rest area because the rest area, they was stuck in their rest area. Trucks were stuck, couldn't move, so much snow dumped on them. Man, this is crazy. Anyway, it's the winter time. Maybe I can get close and show y'all that machine. Like, he takes up the whole lane, as y'all can see, and he can flip that scooper thing back. But like, cars need to stay a different distance from him because he can swing that thing open and swing it back this way and make it run like a trailer he pulling, and then swing it out to do the whole road. So maybe somebody stopped up here, stuck up here. But this is snow, y'all. This is steady dumping snow. I mean, it's coming. So we're gonna end this video. We did get the load off. Finally got through all that snow, that blizzard snow in Buffalo, New York. So we made it. We pick up another load tomorrow. We're going to where some sun. I'm tired of snow. So stay tuned for the next video and y'all see where we're going next. Picking up here in New York, but I ain't telling you where I'm going. You got to check the video out. So anyway, with that said, if you're new to the channel, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Y'all know what it is. Stain life, truck life, and 18-wheeler life.